How to book flight on Hopper app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can book flight on Hopper app. Now the process is quite simple. As you know, Hopper app can be used to book hotels, flights and cars. Now to book your flight, what you want to do is simply open up Hopper app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now currently I'm not logged in, but I'll just show you quickly on how you can book one. At the top you can see hotels option, flights option, cars option and homes option. Simply tap on the flights option there, and once you tap on flights option you will have to select your round trip here. From here I'll just select Nepal here, Kathmandu, Nepal, and to where I'll just select India here, and you can set your departure date and time as well. So once you select your date, what you want to do is you can select either one way or you can select multi-city as well if you want, and then simply tap on search option and it will show you the number of flights available. Now currently there are no flights available for your selected dates, you can see, but if it is available it will show up there and you can book it from there, and you can add in your transaction or payment details there and you can book it. So this way you can book flight on Hopper app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.